Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3 with your MacBook. You have to start by click one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings, and after that you need to open the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, they will enter to prank mode automatically, you know it by the LED light with blinking blue. Also, we can enter to prank mode manually. Inside the case, right here we have connectional button, you need to only press and hold this button until this LED light starts blinking blue, so it's something like 3 seconds. And after you enter to prank mode, you can now click connect near to your earbuds. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!